Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Day 3 in Toronto, Canada now. We have not long just woke up. We are going to be getting some breakfast from a place called Denny's, and yeah, it's kind of like an American style breakfast diner. And then the plan is to go to the gym. Yes, I go to the gym whilst away on holiday. Call me sad, I don't care. I like to get a good couple of workouts in whilst I am away. And after that, I really don't know what the plan is. I guess we'll kind of wait and see what the day brings us. But yeah, first, let's go and eat some breakfast. I thought that was kind of funny.
What geezer?
Go down there. Okay guys, so just finished at the gym. Good workout. I'm absolutely knackered now, to be honest. So hot in there, but it is so cold outside, so it's kind of refreshing. I think now we're going to go to Walmart just to pick up a couple of bits, a couple of gifts for family, and then just a few bits and bobs. Then we're going to go back to the hotel, have a shower, get ready, and then probably go out for some dinner. So yeah, we'll see what happens. You see that over there? You wouldn't catch a loser in there. Okay guys, so we went to Walmart, went back to the hotel, had a shower, got ready, and now we're heading for some barbecue food, apparently. I quite like that sort of food, American style barbecue food, so that's where we're going. And I can't wait, to be honest, because I'm very hungry. And it's raining as well, which the first time it's rained since we got here, so hopefully no more of that to come. But yeah, we'll see you inside the restaurant anyway. Montana's Barbecue and Bar, that's where we're going. I must say, darling, you are looking rather dashing tonight. Now this looks good. What do you got? Mac and cheese?
Yep.
Very nice. Okay, so we are back from the meal. Had a nice meal. What was it called again? Something barbecue.
Montana's barbecue.
Montana barbecue. Barbecue grill.
Just Montana's barbecue.
Yeah, Montana's barbecue. Yeah, had a nice meal. The service, should I say, was not the best. As soon as we walked in, we could kind of sense that something was wrong. I have a slight feeling that there was a bit understaffed, because yeah, they didn't look too happy. They were sort of running around like headless chickens, and yeah, it took like an hour for our food to arrive, but I'm not one to complain really. The food was nice, so we'll leave it at that. Still gave them a decent tip, so yeah, that is what it is. But I kind of figured that we haven't really done a lot today. We've literally eaten, went to the gym, eaten, and now here we are, I guess. So yeah, I guess I thought I may as well sort of share with you guys kind of my thoughts on Canada, or at least my thoughts so far on Canada or Toronto. And yeah, to summarize it, I like it. I do like Toronto, I do like Canada. In terms of the people, if I had to kind of compare them, which I don't really like to compare people, I don't really like to say too much about a certain group of people, but I would say Canadians on a whole are very, very friendly people. They are very similar to Americans, but I guess slightly more friendlier. But yeah, had a good experience so far. I mean, Toronto in general, like as a city, it's fairly similar to pretty much any other city. So I guess don't expect anything sort of above and beyond the ordinary. It's kind of later in the trip that I'm most looking forward to, if I'm being honest. We're going to obviously Calgary, which is in Alberta. They're going to have a lot of national parks, a lot of lakes, and a lot more to do there, I think. So yeah, coming to Toronto is kind of like a stopgap for the second part of the trip, and we're still, you know, going to go to the places and see what we want to see. We're going to be going to Niagara Falls in a couple of days' time, so that should be some good fun. But yeah, my experience so far in Canada has been a good one, has been a pleasant one. The weather has been pretty much what I expected. I didn't expect it to be warm at all. Obviously it's like spring now, and yeah, it's one of the coldest countries in the world, so you know, it's been pretty cold, but I kind of expected that. But yeah, I thought I would kind of touch base and share my thoughts, what I think of this place, because yeah, we haven't done a whole lot today. If I'm being honest, it has been a pretty lazy day, but I think yesterday we kind of did have a pretty full-on day. We'd done a lot of walking yesterday, and yeah, I feel like we needed kind of a rest today to reset and recharge the batteries. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed it anyway. Hopefully you are sticking around to see the other videos. If you are, you're a legend. I want to thank all of you for watching anyway. Please give this a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so. I will see you all in that next one. Peace!